The external secret operator in Kubernetes is a powerful tool designed to manage and inject secrets into Kubernetes cluster from an external secret management system such as AWS Secret Manager, Azure Key Vault, Google Secret Manager, HashiCorp Vault, and others. This operator simplifies management of secrets by retrieving them from external sources and synchronizing them with Kubernetes secrets. Now let's understand how this external secret operator works. It has mainly three components. First is external secret custom resource definition (CRD). An external secret is a custom Kubernetes resource that specifies which secrets should be synchronized from an external secret management system. It defines sources like AWS Secret Manager, the destination Kubernetes secret, and the specific secret data to be synchronized. Second is external secret operator. The operator watches for changes in external secret resource. It communicates with a specified external secret management system to fetch the secrets. The operator then creates or updates the corresponding Kubernetes secret based on data fetched from external resources. Then comes third one, Kubernetes secrets. The secrets fetched from external sources are stored as native Kubernetes secrets. These secrets can be consumed by Kubernetes resources like pods, deployments, or any other resources that needs to be secret data. Now let's understand it via a diagram. You will be having an external CRD where source will be AWS Secret Manager, destination will be Kubernetes secret. Then comes external secret operator. It will watch secret CRD, fetch secrets from resources. It will create and update Kubernetes secrets. Then comes Kubernetes secrets. It will store as native K8 secrets, which will be available to all Kubernetes resources. Kubernetes resources will be kind of pod, deployment, stateful sets, etc. Now let's understand all the complete steps involved in it. So there are total 4 steps involved in it. First is define external secret. You can create an external secret CRD in your Kubernetes cluster specifying the external secret source and the details required to fetch it, like secret keys or paths. Then second step is operator fetches secrets. The external secrets operator monitors these CRDs and connects to external secret management system to fetch the requested secrets. Third is create Kubernetes secret. Once fetched, the operator creates or updates as Kubernetes secret based on the data retrieved from external sources. Fourth is secrets consumed by Kubernetes resources. Kubernetes secrets can be then mounted or accessed by various Kubernetes resources, enabling them to use secrets data without hard coding sensitive information into application code or configuration file. Now let's understand a kind of a example how to use it. Then comes first is set up your AWS Secret Manager. What you can do is that first you create a secret in AWS Secret Manager. For example, you might create a secret name my vault database secret which will have following key value pair. You will be having a DB password where whatever password you want to give. Then second step is install secret operator. Deploy the external secret operator in your Kubernetes cluster. This operator will be responsible for fetching secrets from AWS Secret Manager and creating corresponding Kubernetes secrets. Then comes third, define an external secret resource. Create an external secret resource in your Kubernetes cluster that defines which secret to fetch from AWS Secret Manager and how to map it to Kubernetes secrets. Here is a example YML definition file which we can see for an external secrets. So in this one, if you see, first is API version, then kind is external secret, metadata is the name, my database, external secret. Then specs will be secret store reference where you are giving AWS Secret Manager, kind is secret store, and the target is my database secret. Creation policy is owner. Then it will have the data. Secret key is the DB password which you have created earlier example, and then it will be kind of property will be key will be my database secret and property will be DB password. This secret store ref specifies the external secret store, AWS Secret Manager. Target in this one defines the Kubernetes secret name that will be created or updated, which is my database secret. And data maps the secret data from AWS to Kubernetes secret. So here if you see key and the property which you want to update, key from where you want to update. Now comes the fourth, create Kubernetes secret. External secret operator watches the external secret resource. Upon detecting it, the operator fetches DB password from AWS Secret Manager and creates a Kubernetes secret name, my database secret, with name key value pair. Consume Kubernetes secret in your application. Now we modify our application deployment to use Kubernetes secret. For instance, in a deployment YML, you can reference the secret as follows, which will be our fifth step. In this deployment, DB password environment variable is set using value from Kubernetes secret my database secret. So here if you see in environment variable DB password value is from secret key reference where name is my database secret. So in summary, create a secret in AWS Secret Manager, install external secret operator in Kubernetes, define external secret resource to specify which secret to fetch and how to store it in Kubernetes. External secret operator fetches the secret and creates Kubernetes secret. Your application access the secret via environment variables or volume mount, ensuring that secure dynamic access to sensitive data.